Yes, guys. Yeah, what do you say? What do you say, guys? 98, 68. Let's close the trade. Let's close the trade. We had some. We need to wait for that. If it's crossing this area, we should plan something big thing. But let's see on smaller time frame. Let's say in the 15 minutes, yeah, half an hour between how is market is doing. So you can see this area is also is important too for us because here is also is two things are going to happen, and this also is important because here rejection is there around it. Yeah, so you can see here like 3 4 places are important for this area and this area also we have rejections. So yeah, so if crossing uh, this trade line basically, so we can see good trade here. Also, let's create some more lines basically to see trade line basically to see how market is behaving. So if you can see, is taking the upside trade. Yeah. Also, if you can see this trade line also is taking the upside mark. Yeah. So something we able to find that key like market is going up and down this from this area basically is down now, see up and then I think down, then it's going to break this one. My perception like is going to break like this only, but let's see what will happen. Also we can consider in downside if it's breaking in the down, so we can consider like this also. Yeah, something here, then he will go down, something will happen. But let's make as we saw that day by day, so in the day market is bullish, so we consider in upper side. I think market will go in the upside, so we need to plan the trade according to that. Yeah, so let's zoom some more time frame so we can see what is going on. So here is the rejection. If you can see that which trade line we have, red trade line has the rejection, but still uh, market is trying to make the bullish trade, green pattern basically. So let's see what will happen. Let's wait for this area. If the market is crossing this and creating one green candle nearby this basically, yeah, if crossing like if you can see this is a trend line is green, so we can consider market it will go upside, but let's wait for that. If anything is if the something is going downside, make wait for make to share before trading, and let's plan the before trading, let's plan the SLs also and your profit of target. So let's wait for sometimes and we can plan on good trade and trade make some big profit basically. Yeah, other yeah like Bitcoin is around here, and well, let's see. Also, I'm planning to share you guys some important trading rules. Basically, I will make one video for you guys, and you guys must have to watch that videos to make good profit. Basically, so it's like we have to follow. We doing the scalping. It's like sorry guys. Yeah. So we need to follow some time frame whenever we trading. First, we have to check our day wise how is market doing in the day wise basically, and we have to go in the smaller frame, then more smaller frame, and then more smaller frame. So the next video which we am going to make, there will be, you will guys can see how the time is important. Time frame is important to trade in the Bitcoin, basically BTC. So wait for the videos. But here we can see market is something is going the like out downside is like, but is still is not confirmed what is going to happen. So let's wait for that. If we discuss for yesterday trade, so we had trade around this area, I think. Where is this? Yeah, this area. So what I said, like he's going to upside. So you can see if we had to exit the market before is like before uh, proper way. We have not waited some time and we exit the trade, and market have went till here actually, correct. So if we hold our like who we, if we hold our trade, so I think we can make it good profit that time. But somehow we exit. But who is trade the this area, I think he made a good profit around 3,000, yeah, basically $3,000 is the small with the small sls around. We had the still like decreased the sls basically. Before it was like $1,000 and then 5 then 8. So I think we had made good profit. Let's see the for today trade basically what we can do and how we can make the good profit here. Also see we markets holded this area, but after that he went in the upside actually, to upside. So if you can consider market is in the upper upside, but we should wait for that. We need to hold trade little more, like at least for hours, yeah, 2 hours, so we can get more profit and good amount profit we can take it. But make sure if the market is upside, yeah, downside, whenever you taking the trades like selling, yeah, buying, so make sure first how is market behaviors, is going up, yeah, down. So make sure that before holding the trade for few hours, yeah, day, for the day basically. I So as a trader, if you want to hold, yeah, something for long time, so don't wait like do for the daily basis trade. Just buy in the downside and wait for how many days you want, a month, a year, or something like that. Hold that so you can see the big profit on that. But as visual big doing the daily basis traded, so I think we should not hold more than 2 or 3 hours basically. If we got good profit, just exit the market and do not hold, because for what will happen sometimes in markets going down. So if we holding, yeah, putting the assets, so we can get losses. So make sure that actually before trading, yeah, holding the market, but analyze properly, then you can hold your trade basically. Yeah. So let's wait for this area. I think market is holding in this area and something is going on. So let's wait for that. If they cross the red trade line, so we're going to make the some buy the trades basically. Yeah, also is following the blue lines if you can see. Yeah. So let's see what is going to happen. We should wait some time. We need to wait. Patience is more important whenever we trading. So patience is very important for any trade, for any type of trade you're doing. Mostly like we in the crypto we focusing on BTC, Bitcoin basically. So patience is important, but it's very big market. Every day we have around 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 moves in this market. So we need give the take the best option whenever we buying as selling something. So we need to uh, have give the patience in the market, wait for that, and if it's like trade is okay, yeah, your rules is following with the trade, then you can buy them or sell them. Just as we discussed, let's wait for the red line. Or if they crossing the red line, the trade line, red trade line, so we can buy here and we can see the good amount of profit. As we can see, if it's cross the red line, so I think the target should be nearby this area. I think so, and more than that, actually, you can consider this area also. Correct. So once see 100%, once he cross this one, so our target should be this actually. Yeah, 100% we can have movement around one one to 2,000 moves basically. So we can consider that, but let's wait for the trade actually. So his market is very slow. He's running. He is going up and down in this. He's spending some time because sales also I think is active in this area actually. These guys want to make the trading downside. Just clean the all draw things. Yeah. So let's wait for this as we discussed. Let's wait for this. Once it's cross this one, so we have good more amount of. Yes, guys. Also, let's see within 1 minute time frame basically. Yeah. So rejection is here. You can see that, correct? So be very good place to trade actually. Let's wait. Market is going downside, but let's see what will happen if we see in the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, market is going down. You can see the rejection, the trade line. Then trade line is giving us rejection. Yeah. So let's see. This candle is very important. So if you can see here is like long wait basically when we were trading. After once he crossed this one, he went very fast in upside. So this trade is very good trade. Whoever trading this area is he has made good up amount of money. So similarly, wait for we need to wait for good trades. Here also is one good trade. This see, this is very nice trade actually. Very nice trade. Yeah, very nice move. Here is one support area is there. You can see that correct support area here also is there. Yeah. So after that, yes, this is the support. It's big red candle. this candle we decide basically where is market going to move in the downside or upside. Let's wait for this candle. Once he completed with the red, yeah, completed with the green. So I think most probably is going to make the green red candle basically. And if the second candle is like something green, he making the green and depending on candles behavior basically green and some behavior is there. So we can consider market is going somewhere in down something. Let's see. Maybe market is going to hold in this area for some time if we can see event like this, yes, and then down and up and down again. So after this we can see like this something. Yeah, he can hold sometimes in this area, then he will go upside. But we should wait for that. Let's see what will happen. Came in this point and again is showing some potential for the green upside basically. If this can sorry, if this candle green, turn in the green, so let's buy here. Actually, our first target should be this, correct? And the SL should be here nearby here actually. So let's wait for the candle and so let's go, guys. Buy side. I think is some green side potentially scam upper side. So let's buy. Actually, yeah. So something we have made it $2,000. SL should be as we discussed. Let's put SL here nearby this area, correct? And your target should be something. First target is here actually. So we not going to trying to make more profit. We actually looking forward this area 1 to 1 target actually. So like SL also is $18,000 USD. So and target is around same, you can consider 19-20,000 dollars, but we got the rejection. So over, let's wait for one more 1 5 minute candle actually. It's like we had to get very basically long like 100 quantity. So this quantity is very high. We should take it around 10. 10 is okay to trading, but market is going upside. So I think it's good. We can today we're going to make good amount of profit. Let's see. And once this candle close, we're going to put SLs around this area basically, depending on the next candle. Yeah, so we have profit around 8 9 8 9 thousand dollars basically in the today trade. So let's see, 3 minutes are left. If you guys want to book profit, plus you can book the profit. I think where is the rejection we can see, but yeah, depending on market we are going to uh, decrease your SLs also. Nearby here, yeah, something once we see like market is going down and our trade is setup is not proper, so we take minimum amount of loss, not going we not considering 18,000 SLs basically. So around 5 6,000 is okay, good amount to take the SL basically here nearby here. But let's see, it's like market is going upside, so we should wait for some time. Now is 10,000 uh, dollar we had the profit. So let me know guys, what do you guys think? So we should wait for that and make if you want to make some good amount money. So we need to hold our trade for some time if you want something with from the market. So let's wait for that. We're running 9 to 8 to 9, 9 to 10 basically. Let's see. So if this candle is fully green, so we wait for the next candle, and we're going to book profit in the next candle. So you guys can wait and let's see. Still we have 1 more minute to for the next candle. We should wait for that. Market is slowly is coming down. I think we should profit, make the profit that 5,000 and exit the trade because it's big rejection. If you guys can see, we can see the big rejection here. But as we decided, let's see one more candle. Yeah, as we decided, we next this candle we're going to exit them. But what you guys think? Should we exit? Yeah, we should trail the SLs basically. So I'm decided to trailing the SLs around here basically. So let's see. We had SLs. Now is SLs over $1,000, but again we got the rejection. So I think so. Market is going in downside, trying to make the downside. We should exit the our trade. Yeah. Oh yes. So let's make some 5,000 profit and exit them. Actually, what do you see? Yes, guys. Let's exit the market. Otherwise, it's going to hit the SL. Correct. So if I put it SL here, so it's going to see the SL. So we had make profit around 3,000, but here I was like around 10,000 profit. So it's be to get more quantity. So as you can see, we have exited in the plus basically because anyhow this trade line is going to hit the SL basically. So we have made good decision. We made something $3,000, more than 3,000. I think $4,000 profit. So this big candle, red big candle. So we have exited in very big place. I think the market is following something. I don't know. Actually, say something is going on. It's going, I think, in downside, down trade, and is there? I don't know. See a good rejection. See, very low. Went down. We should sell the market once he's nearby this area. If he's rejected this area, so we should sell the trade basically. But we had made around 3,000 to between $4,000 the today trade. Yeah, let's wait for one more good candle. So I'm planning to trade in the down, like selling side because sellers are active. So guys, market is trying to go downside, but you can see here is rejection is there. Rejection is there as we decided to, if we see one candle nearby this trade line, so we're going to trade in downside. If not, so we need to wait proper setup and we can trade some good trade. In the last trade we have made 3,000 to four, between $4,000 $4,000. So let's wait for this trade. Today's target at least making $5,000, and this we're going to complete this target. This time we are going to trade in less quantity, basically. So let's see. Yeah, so market has not decided what is guys doing. Basically, this again is making the green candle, then H rejection. So this green candle go nearby this, and we'll again see one more rejection. Basically, so guys, let's sell this time. Let's see what will happen. As we decided, we be going to make it within around quantity wise 10 quantity. So let's see, and the your SL is like around nearby this actually. Yeah, you can consider nearby here. We going to give only 9 to 10. So just market is turned into green. SL should be 1000 basically. I think so. Let's put it 1000 SLs, $1,000 SL, and target should be like more than that. Still, we need to decide how much target wants to one be going to think about. But and also, I have taken some trade in gold USD. So let's see how is market we going to do. We had around 4,000 $400 in the minus. But as we can see, we had downside. Most probably the trade is looking forward in the downside, but we need to take risks if you want to make some money and you want to trade in this area. We should consider taking some losses also. 1000 2000, what do you guys think? We is this yeah, SL is perfect. I don't think so. We need to do something if yeah, guys. The market is not decided where is going to do. I don't think so. Let's put a modify some SL actually. Let's wait for some time. But if this is the last one, we're not going to give more than that. Actually, our target around this one, but within uh, within the second, this candle become green. Uh, this, so if you can see, SL is heated. So what is doing market is doing, we don't know basically. So as I said, I had put some trade in the gold actually. So let's see the gold trade how is doing. The gold, yeah, here also we in the loss actually we had to get to 200 quantity, and we have around 700 USD in the loss, minus, but we hold these trades for sometimes. I think we had made mistake as we decided to, if he's crossing this trend line in the red, So we should take trade, and also here we decided if we crossing this area, this so we going to trade. So this mistake we had made, we got lost for 1500. But okay, we had we learned something on that. So we what we decided we had to focus on that actually. Once he crossed this white trade line, we should take the trade. If crossing this area, yeah, this uh, trade line, so we take should be buy and there we should sell because market is not moving in within this while it's going up and down. We're not able to. See. After hitting OSLs, again is going in downside. So the gold one, I'm going to hold the gold for some times actually. I'm 100% sure like gold is going upside within some days. So let's wait for that. Uh, I will update once it got any good trade basically. So you guys can see he has crossed this trade and he is going. It's going in downside. Oh my god, it's big. We should take a trade here nearby here, but that's what we can see do basically. Let's plan one trade in the downside. Basically, let's put the limit. No, 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 not here. Just put it here. Let's see. We made some money or not. Here, some rejection is there. Yeah, this area is big rejection. I don't think so. It's going downside. Let's cancel the trade because you can see it's weak. Here is spending too much time. I don't want to spend this much time here actually. Yeah, target is nice. If you can see, is target nearby this area, this two area. What we can do? Let's take the trade and hold for some time. Yeah, guys, don't waste our opportunity. Yeah, let's buy the trade. Sell the trade actually. Okay. Uh, don't make the mistake. Your target is here. Yeah. Big SL. We should put the bid big SL. We have profit around $1,000. SL is nearby this area and target this one. If you can see the target, wow, we have $35,000 target. Correct. The SL is very less. How much the SL? 15,000. Okay. What what do you think? Market going to give us this much amount? It's like one to two target actually. 14,000 rupees. $14,000 sell and target is $35,000. Now we have six around 600 plus thousand plus dollar USD we had got 15. Let's see. Let's wait for more time. So this area has spent it sometimes. I think we should wait for that. Okay, but this one is big trade. I'm going to hold that and also actually this one also. As I said, it's going to hit the SM. Let's see. So let's wait for some time, guys. I will update you. So I have added 100 more quantity actually. So I have a strong like after analyze the market and I have a start feeling is going to in downside little bit more actually if you can see. So I'm going to hold the trade basically. If you guys want to exit, take some profit, $2,000 and exit the market. But I have strong feeling is going to downside, so I'm holding the trade basically. But you should, if you want, you guys, you can exit the market and you can trade. I have added one more quantity nearby this area, 100 quantity nearby this area. So currently I'm running with like 4,000 plus USD. So I'm going to hold the trade basically. If you can see, is green and red candle. So I'm thinking to hold mostly, most probably our target is nearby this area. So as you can see, uh, this area here is going to spend some times, but it's going to downside near to this area. So I have a strong feeling and a strong analysis. So I'm going to hold the trade, but if you guys can, you can exit the trade and I will update once our target is achieved. Yeah, great. So if you guys can see, we running 9,000 plus USD. Yeah, so I'm going to wait more time and hold the trade. Our target is around this area, but I will till here 100% be. I'm going to wait that and hold the trade. Yes, so we'll see. Now it's around 10,000 plus 10,000 USD, 11,000 USD. So, as I said, I have a strong analysis and things market is going to downside. I will hold. So today, my trade target is big. Is big actually. I'm waiting till here, so I think it's I need to give more time to wait this trade actually. So I have buy nearby here. I added one buy the nearby this area and added one more quantity and the sell is near to this area. So I'm going to wait, guys. I will keep informed in the next video what will happen actually. So I don't want to make longer video and show you guys how I'm trading basically. So let's, as you can see, then still is trade is going downside. So I'm going to wait for more time and I will update in the next video what is happened with this trade and what thought process I follow that. So 100% I will explain everything and why I added more quantity once he went upside basically. What is my thought process on that and what is the analysis. I will share everything in the next video. So do not forget to subscribe my channels and if you have guys any questions, please let me know in the comment section. So I will 100% try to reply the questions basically. And as I see, you can see I have around $20,000 plus 21,000 plus dollars. I see market still in downside. So as I said, I will explain about that why I did and why I tried one time and fail again. I tried and same thing in downside. I will let. So guys, I'm trying to close the trade. We have profit around 51,000. So I'm going to wait this candle for 5 more minutes, and after that I'm thinking to close the trade basically. So why take it this trade, as I we discussed before that video. Basically, this area is important as I created the uh, trade line, white trade line. Basically, this is important. If you can see, as we discussed, if it's breaking this thing, so we should trade this one. Already I created. If it's some trade is created down in this side, so we should wait for that. He created one more green candle and we buy it here, sell here, and again we added more quantity. It's big. Why I had this candle had make sure me to is going to in downside, so I added more quantity, and so he's confirmed with me कि like he's going to nearby these things actually. So this guy is going upside. As I mentioned, I have to book the profit. So let's first book the profit here. Sub quantity exit less. I have put it as here, but behind it's around some 60 50,000. So what is not 44,000, but less. Okay. So this just wait. We have waited only around 5 10, how more than 30 35 minutes, and we got good amount of the profit actually. And this candle has confirmed me to let's add more quantity, so I have added more quantity basically in this trade. Yeah, so now we again I have 60 plus thousand USD in my trade actually. So SL is here. So I think we should exit them here nearby this area 60 61, but I think it's going to hit our target, so let's wait for that. Yes guys, yeah, what do you say, guys? 998 68. Let's close the trade. We had booked around 50 70,000 USD in today trade. What do you say guys? What is it? See, this is the hack something. We had decided only two things in the trade. Just see, after booking the profit, he's going upside. Yeah, so we have made around. We decided to go near this, but we have closed this nearby this. So we had big of amount. Again is going to coming in down. So I think it's going to hit this target area. Is going to more down. But we had book our profit, and we had to book it in a good amount actually. So we had to close the trade nearby this. Yeah. So the most important thing, why I have added more quantity, and why I have added put it in available or 200 traded in 200 quantity, because I had under 100% confidence market is going to downside. Also I mentioned you guys to the reason behind that. So reason is like, first I confirm with this trend is in the downside, so this trend line is make sure to me is the trend is downside. Also this area is important, as I mentioned the white trend line. So if you can see market, this area has is like uh, market came in this area, again he's rejected, and this came again upside, and again he's went in downside. So this area is important, so I mentioned that he spent more time here. So what I said said like, let's wait for make the 110 candle down for down in within this tail line. So he made one green red candle. If you can see, this is the green candle, red candle. I tell you guys, let's wait for that. And again he created one green candle, and he got the rejection in this area. So this is confirm my the trade. I should take the downside. So we had taken the trade here, and but again he went for that. So we put it SL nearby this area. He didn't touched the my SL and came downside. So see, still is going down, still is going down. So I think so we should wait it for more, so we can make it more profit actually. So I think it's going to touch this area. What do you say? What do you say, guys? Still is going to downside, but okay. So we had make it profit, good amount out of profit. So it's okay for us. So you can see again his then. So I added one more 100 quantity here. So still is going down. So overall we had made it good profit amount of profit basically. Yeah. Let's I will show you. If you can see, market is started going upside actually. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and we had good trades today. So let's let's see in the next video how much we can make. Thank you guys. Please do not subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.